Hey, look behind me. Big W. Guys, these people are in serious trouble right now. They're losing money at an alarming rate. In fact, they're closing stores. You've probably seen it in the newspaper. You've probably seen it in some of the Sunday Telegraph. You've seen it in the news. They're closing stores. They're losing money. Why? Because everyone's going online. Everyone's going on retail, online retail. Everyone's going on Amazon and buying stuff. And these guys behind me, they're losing. It really is the future. Like, this is what you're seeing right now, guys. In 10 years, right now, 10 years, you're not going to see that anymore. Everyone's going to be online, buying stuff online. It's more convenient. They get same day or 2-day delivery. And it's something that this is essentially, the future is going to be purely Amazon. And these traditional retail stores are in serious trouble, and this is something that I've just started seeing recently, and it's something that I think everyone, if you're looking to start a business, you can't basically be surviving in a traditional retail shop. So keep that in mind, guys, and stick to the news. See what's happening with Big W, because these guys, like I said, they're struggling, and a lot of people, unfortunately, very unfortunately, are going to lose their jobs. Like, how can you make money like on a $2 item, right? How can you make money on these small little things? You can't. All right, I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.